Welcome to our video on packing hacks for baby travel gear. In this guide, we will provide you with valuable tips and techniques to efficiently pack all the essentials for your little one's adventures. Traveling with a baby can be overwhelming, but with our tried and tested hacks, you'll be able to pack smarter and lighter. Say goodbye to bulky bags and hello to stress-free travels. Join us as we share our expert advice on sorting, organizing, and maximizing luggage space. Get ready to become a pro at packing for your baby's travel needs. Let's start by exploring the essential baby travel gear that every parent should have. First off, we have the trusty stroller, perfect for navigating airports and sightseeing. Then there's the crucial car seat, ensuring your baby travels safely on the road. Don't forget about the spacious diaper bag, designed to carry all the necessities for your little one. A versatile baby carrier allows you to keep your hands free while still keeping your baby close. And for those overnight trips, a portable crib provides a cozy and familiar sleeping environment. Join us as we dive deeper into each of these essential travel companions. Now that we know the essential baby travel gear, let's talk about sorting and organizing them efficiently. Categorizing your baby's items is key to an organized travel experience. Start with clothing. Separate outfits, harnesses, and accessories into labeled compartments. Next, gather all the feeding essentials like bottles, formula, and bibs, and designate a specific area or container for them. Don't forget to pack toiletries like diapers, wipes, and creams and keep them easily accessible. By sorting your baby travel gear into categories, you'll save time and avoid the hassle of rummaging through everything. Stay tuned as we share more expert tips on organizing your travel gear. When it comes to packing baby travel gear, space-saving techniques are a game-changer. We've got some amazing hacks to help you maximize your luggage space. First, try rolling your baby's clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space but also prevents wrinkles. Another great tip is using compression bags to condense bulky items like blankets and towels. By removing excess air, you'll be amazed at how much space you save. Lastly, remember to stack items efficiently, placing heavier items at the bottom to distribute the weight evenly. Join us as we demonstrate these space-saving techniques and make your baby's travel gear fit like a puzzle. Get ready for some valuable packing tips and tricks for your baby travel gear. First, utilize ziplock bags for small items like pacifiers, baby spoons, or small toys. These bags not only keep them organized but also prevent them from getting lost. Another great hack is to pack heavier items at the bottom of your bag or suitcase to provide stability. This ensures that the weight is evenly distributed and prevents any damage to delicate items. We've got more amazing packing tips coming your way, so stay tuned and make your baby's travel gear packing a breeze. That wraps up our video on packing hacks for baby travel gear. We hope you've learned invaluable tips and techniques to make your next trip with your little one stress-free. To summarize, we discussed essential baby travel gear, sorting and organizing techniques, space-saving hacks, and packing tips and tricks. Now it's your turn to put these hacks into action and see the difference they make in your travel experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of overpacking and hello to efficient and organized packing. Don't forget to share this video with other parents who could benefit from these valuable packing hacks. Safe and enjoyable travels with your baby.